Alright guys, gonna go live here and run the active January member freebie. I went through, and if some of the entries didn't meet the requirements, they were not put on the list. I have the list in a notepad form. I'm going to copy and paste it off of there into random, and we are going to go live. Type live on the post. We are live. 9:49 p.m. 9:49 p.m. We're going to grab the list on a notepad. We are going to copy and paste it into random. We're going to copy and paste it into random. Sorry guys, my kid came upstairs. Hang on one sec. Please go downstairs. Downstairs. Alright guys, sorry my kid came up. He woke up out of bed. Alright, we're going to grab that list from the notepad. I got it right here. We are going to copy that and drop it. We have 63 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. We have a 10. We're going 10 times. Good luck everybody. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 times. Dice is a 10. Next click wins. Good luck. And 10. Congrats to Timmy Spot. Timmy, you are the winner. Get in touch with me and collect the bobblehead. We are done. 9:50 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 9:50 p.m. We will go back. 9:51. It just clicked over. Here is your timestamp and verification code. And watch for more active member freebies, guys. Good luck. And thank you all for being active members of the page.